Well, ladies and gentlemen, next for the keynote, I would like to request on the stage to please join Shri Shailendra Tyagi, Director STPI. Everyone, please put your hands together and let's welcome him on the stage.
Very good evening to all of you. Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Haryana, Shri Nayab Singh Saini ji, Shri Asim Goyal ji, Shri Amit Kumar Agrawal, Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Industries, Shri Arvind Kumar ji, Director General STPI, other dignitaries, distinguished guests, industry leaders, entrepreneurs, innovators, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be present at 11th edition of TiECon Chandigarh 2026, a platform that consistently brings together the energy of entrepreneurship with the strength and experience of collaboration. The association of STPI with TiE Chandigarh spans more than a decade, and over the years, this partnership has contributed meaningfully to strengthening the regional startup and technology ecosystem. India's technology and startup landscape has evolved significantly over the years. The IT-ITES sector has not only contributed to economic growth, but has also built a strong foundation of skills, global credibility, and innovation capability. What is particularly encouraging today is the clear shift towards the product development, deep tech innovation, and a growing confidence among the entrepreneurs to build globally competitive solutions from India. In this journey, the Software Technology Parks of India under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has played a pivotal role in strengthening the country's technology ecosystem. For more than 3 decades, STPI has contributed significantly to the growth of India's IT and ITS exports. While continuously adapting to the evolving needs of the industry, today its role has expanded to focus on deep tech innovations, digital infrastructure, and the development of a robust startup ecosystem across the country. As part of this evolution, STPI has established centers of excellence in emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, fintech, Internet of Things, and other advanced domains. These centers provide startups with access to advanced labs, structured incubation, mentorship, investor connect, and industry linkages, enabling them to build scalable and globally competitive products. At the same time, STPI is implementing key national initiatives such as the Startup India Seed Fund scheme and METI's Genesis program, aimed at supporting startups from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities at critical early stage. Beyond infrastructure, STPI plays a critical role in supporting startups across their life cycle. Through structured and next-generation incubation support, startups are enabled from ideation and validation to scale up and globally expansion. Entrepreneurs benefit from modern workspaces, shared facilities, and sector-specific support aligned with the emerging technologies. STPI actively supports startups through mentorship by industry experts, domain specialists, and experienced entrepreneurs, helping them refine their products, strengthen business models, and prepare for scale. Addressing market access is another key focus area. Startups are connected with industry partners, provided opportunities for the pilot deployments, and enabled to engage with enterprise customers and institutions. These efforts help startups validate their solutions, build credibility, and accelerate revenue generation. STPI also facilitates national and international exposures by enabling startups to participate in technology exhibitions, innovation forums, and global platforms, allowing them to connect with investors, explore partnership, and access new market. An important initiative in this ecosystem is the Center of Entrepreneurship at STPI, which is called Neuron. This center focused on emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, IoT, and immersive technologies. It provides structured incubation, domain mentorship, and access to advanced labs. A key differentiator of Neuron is its focus on enabling startups with AI development infrastructure and compute capabilities, allowing them to build and test solutions in the areas such as computer vision, natural language processing, predictive analytics, and intelligent automation. This significantly reduces the entry barriers for startups working in the deep tech domains. Through these efforts, Neuron is building a strong pipeline of startups addressing challenges across sectors such as agriculture, healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, governance, and smart infrastructure. The outcomes are visible in the form of product innovation, intellectual property creation, employment generation, and growing investor interest. I would also like to take this opportunity to highlight the STPI awards being presented as part of this platform. These awards are an important initiative to recognize and honor outstanding IT/ITES units and startups for their performance, innovation, and contribution to exports and the technology ecosystem. Such recognition are presented every year to encourage excellence, inspire healthy competition, and celebrate the achievements of companies that are driving India's digital growth story. The collaboration between STPI and TiE Chandigarh has further strengthened this ecosystem. Over the years, this association has enabled mentorship, skill development, and networking opportunities for the entrepreneurs and professionals, contributing to the creation of a cohesive and growth-oriented environment. Looking ahead, the focus remains on strengthening the ecosystem through continued investment in infrastructure, expansion of incubation and deep tech programs, and support for emerging technology domains. As technology continues to evolve rapidly, strong institutional support system will play a critical role in enabling startups from emerging regions to compete at the global level. The growth of the startup ecosystem is the result of collective effort of entrepreneurs who build, institutions that support, and the platforms like TiECon that connects. With the right ecosystem in place, there is an immense potential for innovation-led growth across region. Thank you very much.
Well, it's a humble request. The member, those who are coming upon the stage, they are actually coming with the vision, and of course, they're sharing the deep insight. I will highly appreciate if you'll give them the big round of applause. Come on, everyone.